Little bit more. Perfect. Oh, such skill. So dignified. And those eyes, they are so. Huh? Oh, bonjour! How would you like to learn how to draw like Lemur? Just a little. Perfect. Magnifique, no? So, are you ready?
Yay!
Today, we draw an animal. But first, we warm up. Yeah. Very important wrist stretches, yes. Whew. Enough. Pencils up. And now we begin. I cannot wait. I think first we will begin with the feet. How many feet, you ask? 2! Yes! Could it be little claws? Yes! Little claws on a branch! Wonderful job! And now, a long and feathery wing. Oh, yes! Draw, create! A good start, I think. And now, the body. A little feathery chest. And now, yes, of course, another wing. We must have 2 for flying. And perhaps some feathers. Oh, I think maybe this is a bird. And a bird needs a beak, of course. You are so talented. High five. And now the head. Oh, little feathers on the top and long back. Oh, so cute. And now the face. And an eye for seeing. Oh, you are so talented. Woo, we are getting closer, I think. The long feathery tail for beauty and for balance. Can you guess what we have drawn? I'll show you. It is a parrot, yes! Our masterpiece, it is almost finished. And color, oh yes, beautiful color. Yes, beautiful color. Oh, very good, very good. The skill. Oh, I am such a good teacher. And now we are finished! Show me! Show me! Oh, it is so beautiful! Oh, I can hardly bear it! Oh, so beautiful! Yes!
Yay!
Magnifique! Oh, bye-bye! Au revoir!
Like what you watched? Give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.